Welcome to Live In and As Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light and love flowing. Our first message today is truth will correct all errors in my mind. When a situation has been dedicated wholly to truth, peace is inevitable. Our second message today is play. Have fun, celebrate, don't be so serious. Stop taking life so seriously. Your spirit needs to have some fun. The more you play, the more inspiration will follow. Take some time out to do something without being attached to the outcome. You are being called to rest and play and learn to have some more fun. Do something that makes you laugh. The best medicine around. Call up a friend that you can be silly with. Take your inner child on a date. The more you switch off your mind, the more room your spirit has to whisper and guide. When we do things without being attached to the outcome, ideas, clarity, guidance, and solutions have the space to drop in. The left and right hemispheres of the brain can begin talking to each other. Make play a compulsory part of your day. Schedule it. Spend more time doing things just because you love to do them, just because they bring you joy and light you up. If you follow what lights you up, you will light up the world without even trying. For when you are lit up, you are in your spirit. And when you are in your spirit, you fall into flow with life. How do you play? What do you do to have fun? What lights you up? If you have been working hard lately, it's time to celebrate how far you have come. All that you have achieved. Don't rush on to the next thing. Take a moment to throw a party, go on a vacation, or have some fun. And this is an action card. Have more fun, play more, celebrate your achievements. Many times we work so hard and forget to have fun. We are thinking about the outcome and the results all the time. When you have fun and when you do something that you love absolutely, which lights you up, which makes you laugh, which makes you enjoy everything, then automatically the results and the outcomes will follow. And life is not to be taken so seriously. So the message is to have fun. Lots of love.